Guys, welcome back to another video on this my channel. My name is Anointed, and on this channel I teach you tips and ways on how to earn money online. But on this video we'll be talking about how to create a working Trust Wallet account. Trust Wallet account is one of the biggest crypto wallets. Like, if you're not using Binance, you can use Trust Wallet to receive any USDT. So in today's video we'll be creating a new Trust Wallet account. Although I already have Trust Wallet accounts, not one account. So let's dive straight to the video. So first of all, you need to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store, and you download the search for Trust Wallet. Okay, Trust Wallet. Here it is. Click on this one, Trust Wallet. So that's it. So when you click on it, you can see it here. This is the Trust Wallet. This is the app. So you click on install. Because I've already installed the app. That's why it's going to show update. Because if you've not installed it, it will be showing install. So let's just install the app into our phone. Please don't mind the noises. I'm just recording here our store, right? So now let's continue. Now that you have downloaded it, because I'm sure you download it. Now that you have downloaded it, let's just go to the app and open my own. Now just click on it here. Okay, now you see this is my wallet. Now let's create a new one. Let me add a new account. Now click on wallet and I'll click on add. You can see there's a little plus button here. I'll click on add here. So let's just click on add, and after I click on add, I will be creating new wallet. So is it that you select seed phrase, or you select Swift, which is the seed phrase is more valuable. So I will click on seed phrase, create. Then let's click on seed phrase. Okay, so guys, they have given me the seed phrase, and I've inputted it into my wallet, and I've created the new wallet. Now I will just click on my wallet, and this is my wallet. I'll just click on it like this. I'll just leave it like this, and you can see the new wallet. And you can see the new wallet has been created successfully. All you need to do is just to click on, once you click on the seed phrase, they'll give you a certain seed phrase, and you just input the seed phrase. And once you've gotten the seed phrase, you have to copy it down. Then once you've copied it, they'll give you a place to input the seed phrase again. So you just input the seed phrase and all of that, then you are done. This is your crypto wallet. You can buy, sell crypto, anything you want. So guys, we'll catch in the next video. So if you learned something for this video, please give this video a like, and subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. So peace.